Thursday, and it's the Mark 1 again. Ooh, everyone says. Ooh, where's the pickup? Yeah, I've come to realise people do love the pickup. But as I said, we've got to get this done. We've got to get this done as well. And I do know there's some people out there that do love the old Mark 1. Not feeling brilliant again. I haven't been 100% for a while now. Got the heater on. It's 1 degree, so that's nice. So things that have turned up. Hard to do this. We're doing that, but we've got the push button start has come in. So yeah, there we go. Nut there goes through the floor. Bish bash bosh. 2 connectors underneath, and look, it really does. I think they remade them. That is the top view of what you look like of a solenoid. And so yes, they must use the bottom end of a solenoid and just make the new top up. The rubber push button screws onto the top there. I think it's got a nut in it. And then I came to do battery cables. I normally crimp them myself. I've got some, and I did a quick YouTube and quick Google on YouTube and saw some other guy crimping them with a chisel. Thought, yeah, that's alright. Read all the reviews, people were killing him, so I wouldn't do that myself ever. But anyway, I ended up on Amazon buying myself a draper punching thing, crimping thing. There were some hydraulic ones as well. They were like 45 quid. This is about £20. And pretty good reviews. So basically, yeah, you put it in there, hit it with a hammer. I'm thinking that's sort of my level of just hitting things. So we'll give it a go in a minute. Okie dokie. Well, this is my live attempt at using a crimping tool. We got these ages ago. You can see some ruined ones I've used before. I've tried to solve them. Anyway, yeah, you get a box of these, not much, off eBay, loads of different sizes. Because what you really want to do is find a crimp that just snugly fits over the wires. You don't want it too big. If you have too much of a gap, it's just wasted. Obviously too small, you're never going to bloody fit it on. And then, where are things? I've been losing so many things today. And then the other end of the crimp with the hole in it, you need to make sure it's big enough to go over that. Sometimes you can drill them out. I've done that before as well. And when you've got a smaller hole, not the end of the world. So anyway, I've always used a hole punch or something, just smashed them with a chisel or something. But now I'm a professional YouTuber, we thought we'd try one of these. As I said, you can get hydraulic ones, big hydraulic hand things. So I think this is as simple as, should read the instructions really, but instructions: select the corresponding size terminal to fit cable size being operated. Done that. Strip cable insulation to approximately 3 mm longer than the length of the terminal barrel. Insert stripped cable into the battery terminal and place terminal or connector fully. Lift the ram tool and place the terminal on the anvil so the bottom arm ram rests on the middle of the terminal barrel. Strike the ram with a hammer. Got a hammer. Until line of ram corresponds to cable size used and is even with the top of the tool. Oh yeah, look, don't know if you can see cable sizes. So don't know what cable size we are. 16 millimeters. Is that on there? We've got a 6, we've got a 2, we've got a 20 and a 40. So yeah, well, I don't know about that, but we'll just give it a go. So thinking, put on a bit of wood. Got a big hammer. Yeah, this has got to be better than. I'll be having a nice strong bench would be more useful. So lift the ram. It said put it halfway on the centre. I'll just put it on a bit of wood because I'm just thinking I don't really want it smashing. Yeah, keep your fingers out of the way, ain't you? Ah, done. What I should have done was put a bit of heat shrink on that afterwards, just to cover the end there to make it look a bit neater, but we've got to cut this cable anyway. This is the old cable that's going right to the back of the car. Well, it definitely looks neater than using a chisel, whether it's still the correct method or not. That's good, because on the underside you can see the two lines, you know, where it's crimped it. Anyway, yeah, that's how we use that tool. We're going to cut this cable and do another one underneath the car. Spring washer goes on top, I know. But yeah. Push start, vroom, 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 vroom. Where's the button? Now, what we seem to be missing, we've got a push button start. Get this off. We have a top part of the rubber button. Now something is missing. So yeah. What am I missing? I'm guessing I'm missing some sort of metal-y type button that screws onto the top of this, and that sort of plugs over to make it look pretty, which we don't have. So we may need to make something, or just buy one, but I didn't see it advertised. So very strange. Tell me what I've done wrong. And tell me what part I need. Otherwise, what I might just be able to do is just make something up out of a nut and a washer and something like that. Anyway, very quick update today. I was even surprised I could get any sort of video out, but I just wanted to try this crimp. It arrived in the post. The marks really didn't make too much sense to me. I just hit it with a hammer until it felt good. And yeah, cool. Let me know if anybody else has got one of them, or what do you feel about the hydraulic ones? Is it worth them? Worth it. Alright, maybe takeaway tonight, because Mrs. Green is having some root canal surgery. Yeah, that's going to be fun for her. Bye.